students, welcome, and today we will discuss Ielts reading true, false and not given. True means that the statement given in the passage and the question are the same. False means that the statement given in the question and the passage does not match. And not given means that the statement given in the question and the passage don't have, there is nothing of that sort in the passage itself. Okay, so let's look at this passage. Amelia's antique locket held a secret compartment she never noticed. Inside, a tiny map unfolded. Unfolded means it was there, leading to a hidden garden behind her house. Leading to a hidden garden behind her house. Among the blossoms, among the blossoms means flowers. She discovered a forgotten journal detailing her grandmother's youthful adventures. Detailing her grandmother's adventure. As she read, the garden magic rekindled and whispers of shared stories with her grandmother echoed the air. Rekindled, it started again. Okay, rekindle means starting again. So let's look at the question first. The first question is Amelia found a hidden passage behind a painting in her house. So, painting, behind a painting. The keyword is behind a painting. So, can you see the word behind a painting? She found a hidden passage inside a tiny map unfolded a so there's a locket here. Inside the locket she found a tiny map which led to a hidden garden. But there is no painting. Okay, so it is false. She had a locket, inside there was a map, and the map showcased a the way to a hidden garden. Okay, the map inside the locket led Amelia to a secret garden. So this is true. Okay, now the third question is the forgotten journal in the garden belonged to Amelia's mother. She discovered a forgotten journal detailing her grandmother's youthful adventures. Okay, but nowhere it is saying that it did not belong to her mother. Okay, so this is not given. Okay, now the fourth question is Amelia's locket contained a miniature key. This is also not given. This is also not given because there is no mention of a miniature key. There is no mention that a miniature key was there or was not there. Okay, so this is not given. And the fifth question is as Amelia read the journal, the magic faded away. Faded away means the magic did not happen at all. Okay, but here it is saying rekindled. That means it started back again. So this is false. So this is how you do true, false and not given. You try to match the information of the question with the passage. If the information does not match, then your answer is false. If the information matches the passage, then your answer is true. But if there is nothing given explicitly, then it is not given. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button